I just purchased this property, not sight unseen. Today, I'm gonna take a look at it for a second time. This storage building right here is in rougher shape, definitely bad. Roof's gone. Look at that hot tub. Looks like there's a hot tub. Looks like a lizard. We gotta watch out for snakes. I don't know if that might be resellable or not. Well, I wanna tell y'all just how bad this is. Take a look at my camera crew. They wouldn't even walk through without a mask. Here I am risking my life walking through with no mask. Trying to look through the nastiness. These cabinets were a better quality at one point. Oh, y'all watch out. Oh my goodness. A lot of bags of trash. Hair on the floor. Not sure if somebody got a haircut there. This house is pretty bad, I'd say. This is disgusting. Oh man. I'm in a web, I didn't even realize it. One of the worst I think I've seen. I'm back with a finished product 180 days later. This is one of those that I let sit for a little bit before I got started on it. Dead animal carcasses, hoarder house. This thing was pretty nasty. I'm happy to see it clean up. Come on. Not too good. To start off on the outside here, fresh pressure washing all the way around the exterior, fresh pressure washing down the driveway, new roof. I ended up going with a new architectural roof. Come on, I'll show you all around. So the exterior of this property was not too bad. We did have to repair some of the places on the final. New HVAC unit. So this yard back here was a mess. There was an old hot tub, an old deck, not in good shape, and then a storage building that I thought might be salvageable, but I found out after looking at it closer, it was not salvageable. So I completely had this storage building removed. I had the hot tub removed, this back deck gone. I had a new deck built back. So when I first entered this house previously, I entered it from the side door. I had seen this property prior to purchasing, but I walked through really quick. I didn't even look at the master bedroom. But come on back in, I'm gonna show you just what I did to this property. So when I entered this property previously, I entered right through this door right here. And when we came in, it was so bad. This fridge was nasty. It had a stench in here. My camera crew actually went back out and put a mask on as we walked through. And then right here, when I first saw it, I thought somebody might have gotten some kind of haircut. But when I rewatched the video, I realized this was a dead animal carcass. New LVP flooring throughout, new LED lighting as I usually go with. These cabinets, I had talked about possibly saving these cabinets, not so. I ended up ripping out all the old cabinets, going with new, fresh new countertops, all new stainless steel appliances as usual. And then right in this master bedroom, I was a little bit freaked out when I came into this house. I had that feeling. Sometimes when I come into a house, sometimes you have certain feelings. Well, I had certain feelings. For some reason, this house had a lot of cobwebs in it. I got right up in here, I felt it, and it kind of shook me. Then when I came in this bathroom right here, I saw all the stuff laying in here, and I was like, oh my goodness. Then when I got to the other side of the home, same thing. It seemed like it just got worse and worse. This was not salvageable. Completely ripped out, new double vanity, new mirrors, new light fixtures, new toilet. But this great big tub right here, we were able to save this thing. Take a look at it here. So when I first saw it, sometimes when you first see a home in such nasty condition, it takes some time to clean it up, readjust your thoughts, come back, and then make a decision later on what might should happen. That's what happened this time. So when I came back after the house had been trashed out, I realized this tub is in pretty good shape. So we were able to leave this tub just the way it was. We were actually able to find panels, and this is a great big Whirlpool tub. And this tile is actually in very good shape after it was cleaned up, so I'm proud of that. Right in here, I'm not sure what happened in this home, but there was some type of stuff on the floor that was pretty nasty. But we completely scrubbed this thing. New carpet in the bedrooms, fresh paint throughout. And in this bath here, new vanity, new toilet. We put a new coat of epoxy on this shower, made it look brand new. Unforeseens on this one, not too many, which I'm glad because I've had several properties here recently and it seems like there's been many unforeseens. Once I get my guys on the job, one thing after another, after another, after another comes up. And then more recently, y'all probably saw some of the hurricane damage we received here in this area. Fortunately, this one here didn't have any damage. Other than the timeline on this one, I'm pretty proud of this one. But as far as the timeline, this one sat for a little while before I got started on it, so I really can't count those 180 days. As far as the purchase price on this one, purchase price $70,000. all in, $50,000, $120 all in, projected sale price, $180, $190 conservative. You can do the math on the profit. Overall, I'm happy with how this one turned out. I'm happy to have another one on the market soon. If you haven't already, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.